my gosh, look at this. This is awful. My goodness. And I use the good stuff. Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Titilo with Aroma Hut Institute, and today I have another DIY recipe for you. We're going to be making our own hair shampoo for repair and also to help with new hair growth. You have damaged hair, it breaks, and then you feel like it's not growing. So this particular recipe that we're going to be doing for our shampoo is going to do all of those things for us. It's going to help with the growth as well as repair the damage. Okay, so the essentials that you're going to be using this recipe are Clary Sage, Rosemary, Ylang Ylang, and Lavender. Now, you could make your own shampoo, or if you just want to do something very quickly, just go ahead and purchase on Amazon the Free and Clear shampoo, which is unscented. It doesn't have any dyes or fragrances in it. And so this is a great base for you to use. Now, this is a 12-ounce bottle. I don't need that much for this recipe. In fact, this recipe calls for 8 ounces, but my bottle is a 4-ounce. So we're going to have to actually cut this recipe in half. And I don't mind doing that because I feel like maybe I want to try some different recipes and variations and see which one I like the best. So we're going to start with taking our Free and Clear, and I need to measure out about, I guess I'm going to do about a half cup. And we're going to also need to add in some coconut oil. Now, I'm going to be using about a tablespoon, and you know what? Even if you don't have a measuring spoon, you can just sort of measure it out in the palm of your hand and pour it in that way. So we're going to be using 6 drops of Clary Sage. Now, this is because I'm doing the 4-ounce size. Double that if you use the big size. Okay, so we're going to do 5 drops of Ylang Ylang. 6 drops of lavender. And 5 drops of rosemary. I think I did an extra one there. So let's go ahead and stir it up. Now I have one of those dispensers in my bathroom for the shower shampoos and gels. So I'm just going to pour this directly in. And if you have that, that's a great way to keep refilling it. Make it as you need it. You can also use small plastic bottle. It's okay to use plastic. It's for the shower. You don't want it to get broken in there. So this would be fine to use in a shower as well, or maybe take for traveling. Okay, so there you have it. It's all ready to go, ready to use. So now you can get your mane in shape, repair that damage, help it to grow again using those 4 essential oils. Guys, I have a few of these books available that I want to give to you. Now, if you would like to be a part of this giveaway, leave a comment below, and you also need to subscribe to our channel to qualify to get one of our books. Now, these books have been returned to me from the publisher because they normally destroy them, and I asked for them back. So they might be not in absolutely perfect shape. They might have a little corner bent or something, but I'm going to ship it to you. So guys, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, leave a comment below. You guys subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.